All right, everybody. Drew with Drew's Roofing. I'm here again to show you another job that I ran across today. By far worse than the last job that I showed you, worst roof ever. And I'm sure it's not the worst roof ever, but it's one of the worst roofs I've ever seen. So let's get up on this roof. Customer out, Drew's Roofing. See you soon. Check out my other playlist. Awesome. Hit that thumbs up button. You won't believe what you're getting ready to see. Stick around. All right, so I got a call.
Make sure you get the really bad one.
I got a call to do an inspection on this roof. When was this roof done, ma'am?
A year and a half ago.
A year and a half ago. Company came in here and did this roof for this lady, and she just notices when it's frosty out here, she notices that there's a hump that she doesn't understand where it's coming from. So she asked me to come up here and inspect. So Paul, they did a two-step. I don't do that. What they do over here, they did a pyramid up this valley right here, but then when they got right here, looks like they did a two-step back and forth. Where's their other one start? That's a good butt right there. I can't even find it. That's a good butt right there. So here, here, here. So yeah, they two-stepped up through here. Here. Oh, wait a minute. Look at this. Didn't even notice that right off. They short shingled it right here. So they got a short run. Wish I'd have brought my tape measure with me. Oh yeah, that's not gonna stick for crap. Short run, so that's not good right off the bat. Oh shoot.
Andrew.
Yeah, buddy.
They need to take the shingles off this.
Didn't take them off?
Take them off.
So here we go again. This another short run, and then above it another short run. So now I see what's going on. She's seeing these humps.
And another one.
This is a brand new roof. When was this? She said this roof was a year and a half old. And she said she paid good money for it. So this is bad roofer. I have to say, if you just paid, oh my God.
See my hand?
Yeah. Oh my Lord, look at that. Again, they did it over and over again, all the way up this roof to the top.
See my thumb where the end of the shingle was supposed to be at?
Yes. Wow, look at that. Where it should be.
Right here.
All right, so this is the worst roof I've seen in quite some time. I'm just totally amazed at what I'm looking at. Can't believe it. I would be so disappointed if this was my brand new roof that was done like this. So I'm just gonna, this is just on the first piece that I got on, so I'm gonna look around and see what else I can find. That's short there. Not terribly short, but that's definitely short. It's about on a 5. It's definitely not on the line. Oh, got another short run right here. Golly. So worst roof, yeah. If I've got a brand new roof that's a year and a half old and they came in and installed it like this, I would be 100% disappointed. This, let me see, my fingers, I guess is about 3 inches. They got 3 runs in a row. My finger is about 3 inches. That should be 5.5. That should be 5.5, and that should be 5.5. Oh, actually, they did it over and over again until they finally got down to one that they could run right. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Your thumb like that?
Hold on, let me turn around. Look at Paul's fingers.
Your thumb like that? That's 5.5.
That's normal.
It's 5.5.
That's where it should be. It's where the other one should be. Yeah, you can never correct that. That's terrible.
Right here.
All right, it's starting to rain a little bit, but we noticed that over there, that roof part over there was not done at all, so never was done. I just want to step back on this back side to see if they did any of that short shingling. And they did. These shingles are made to be run at 5.5 inches. And that, my friend, is not 5.5 inches. And neither is this. So that just, what happens is the bottom of the shingle does not ever stick to the roof because the tar line is under here is missed. So the bottom edge misses the tar line See that? That will never stick. This is what you end up with in the very next storm. Your roof blows off and you wonder why, because it's supposed to be brand new. All right, so I'm telling you, this is I have to say, she spent big money to have this solar system taken off and putting back on this roof for them to do it. They didn't pop lines, not one. And when they come in here, they didn't run them on the proper bond lines, and the bottom of the shingles are literally not sticking. So first storm, that's gone. Yeah, first storm, that is gone. So that's my opinion. Very disappointed when I see the worst roof. I say worst roof because she just spent a lot of money. Look at this, Paul. Look at that run right across there. See it? Yeah, it goes down to about 4 inches. See it? Right there. See? It's terrible. They didn't pop any lines, did they, Paul?
Nope.
Look what it does. Look at it's a circle.
It's a curve.
Yeah, it's a curve. It's a curve. Looks like it's going downhill down there.
Yeah.
How much would you say that drops? At least 2.5 to 3 inches.
Where?
From here
Right
to
here?
over there where the bow is.
Right here, this one here,
Yeah.
it covers down there almost 4 inches.
Unbelievable. Yeah. Man, they got some of them running almost 5 and 5/8, and this is even wider. You get big wide ones. So you can tell they had more than one person running. So they had like several people working side by side on this roof, and that's what happens when you do that, when you don't pop lines.
If you don't run by yourself, you can't run.
Yeah, step down here further and look at that run right there. You can see where they weren't using lines, and they really jumped up on that. Yeah. So yeah, this is one of the worst roofs I've seen. And this lady just paid brand new money. All right, well, I have a lot of bad news. I do have a lot of bad news for this lady.
If you don't know how to do this job, don't do it.
No, if you don't know how to do a roof, don't do a roof. I know they don't know how to pop lines. I'm so disappointed. All right. Yeah, so I mean, they started right down here low too with these short shingles. And the thing about that is that it takes away the place where they're supposed to contact each other. I mean, yeah, I mean, these things will not stick down and wind will get under them, pull them right off the roof. I'm just looking down through this thing and I'm finding it just starts getting uglier and uglier, really. Look at that shingle, how bent up it is. When they put it in there, it's just bent. So if it's not laying flat, it's never gonna stick. So they got fish eyes in this thing bad. What is that? Oh my God, that's
Turn upside down.
oh shoot, man, they got another shingle there. No, that's that shingle delaminating because of being bent.
Oh yeah?
That's delaminating because it's bent.
Yeah, it is.
Wow.
No, it's not.
What is it, Paul?
This is that shingle.
Oh, that is that shingle. That's another shingle they ran on top of it. I have no idea what they did there. I have no idea. I have no idea.
This piece
Anyways,
of
yeah, this is bad. Yeah, they should have a piece of shingle underneath that.
This one
Yeah.
should be up right there.
I agree. Anyways, this is something that I hate to see when I go to a place, and I wish, there we go. I wish there was something I could do for the lady, but unfortunately, this is, in my opinion, a tear off and put back.